How to shape the Costa shoulder. You have now made it to the stage where you have closed off the stitches on each side of the shoulder on the sleeve. Get a crochet hook that matches the needle size, or perhaps a little bit smaller. Because now you're picking up a new stitch in the first closed off stitch nearest to the remaining part of the sleeve. Place it on your needle. Now knit the new stitch you just picked up together with the first stitch on the needle. Knit the stitches together as the rib indicates. Continue across the shoulder in the rib pattern. Now you do the same again on the other side. Make sure that you pick up the new stitch from the front of the work. And knit them together as the first stitch indicates. Continue across the shoulder in the rib pattern. Continue repeating this till you have picked up all the closed up stitches on both sides. This results in a sleeve with an already shaped shoulder, and the shoulder point is moved off the seam. This gives a stronger and more defined look. Enjoy.